The Poc Kit from Point of Instant Need Technologies is an all-in-one, easy-to-use, in-field DNA extraction kit. No need for a centrifuge, pipettes, or extra equipment. The Poc Kit includes everything you need to extract DNA. Unpacking the kit, you will find a lyse syringe set, a wash syringe set, a syringe for drying, and a final syringe set for elution of purified DNA. The connector is used for joining the DNA filter with each syringe set, while the collection tube is used to store the purified DNA. Other DNA extraction kits require centrifugation and pipetting skills. Due to this, extraction is limited to those with select skills and can be complicated for those not trained. The Poc Kit provides a scientist in a box for the user to complete extraction anywhere they need to, and also the flexibility to collect a sample to be preserved for extraction at a later time.